Today we will learn about Election Commission of India. ECI consists 3 members: Chief Election Commissioner and 2 Election Commissioner appointed by President of India, having fixed tenure of 6 years or up to 65 years of age. The members of Election Commission of India are appointed by a committee consisting Prime Minister as the chairperson, the Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha and Chief Justice of India. But recently there was a bill introduced in Rajya Sabha replacing Chief Justice of India in committee and adding a cabinet minister nominated by Prime Minister. ECI administers elections to the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and state legislative assemblies, and of the President and Vice President. Bill also provides that the CEC and other ECs will not be eligible for reappointment. So our Prime Minister is member of Lok Sabha. Election Commission of India conducts election of Lok Sabha. What do you guys think about it? Comment. The bill also changed the status and salary of Election Commission of India members from equal to Supreme Court of Judge to Cabinet Secretary level. Thank you for watching. Do like, comment and share Current Affairs Simplified for more simplified current affairs.